The implant that's being placed today is actually a mount-free implant. We just launched it last month. You'll notice this implant has a fixture mount on top. This one is mount-free. That's going to be placed later today. And I'm going to get into that. And just to be respectful of everyone's time and the schedule, I'm going to speed up just a little bit just to get through the rest of the presentation. But I do want to talk a little bit about Legacy because that's what August de Oliveira places. So I'll just introduce you guys really quick to Legacy. It's that 45-degree internal hex connection. Legacy 4, all-in-one packaging. Got your closed tray transfer cover screw. This abutment, I don't like it as much as the abutment that comes with the Legacy 3. You can take a look at that and you can't get creative with it. You can't prep the collar height on it. So will it work? Yeah. Is it going to work all the time? No, it's not. But it's there if you need it. Legacy 3, you'll notice the abutment that comes with this has a lot more metal to it. Labs will tell you they can drive a posterior restoration 9 out of 10 times with that abutment that comes with the implant. Legacy 2, you know, those guys that say, well, you know, the fixture mount's great, but I don't want to pay for all those parts and pieces I'm not going to use. I'm going to do a full arch, going to load a Zest locator on there, whatever the treatment plan is. This Legacy 2 is a little more cost effective, but it doesn't come with a final definitive abutment. It comes with a means to temporize. And then Legacy 1, just your standard V-thread. This implant design was sold to Zimmer in 1999. They're tapered screw vent. They still use it today. But it's packaged with a carrier and a transfer, your cover screw, and this little healing collar, little healing donut, whatever you want to call it. You're just not going to be able to use that all the time. So really quick, this is what we launched last month. We call it Simply Integrated. What this is, it's a mountless implant. It comes packaged with a cover screw. It comes packaged with a 3mm healing abutment. We also have smart packs now. So whatever your treatment is, whether it's fixed, whether it's removable, whether it's crown and bridge, whether it's digital, we have a smart pack for that specific case where all your parts and pieces are packaged in one little case. You've got one SKU number, one product to order. And this is what's being placed today. That's a mountless interactive implant. There's your 3mm healing collar, and there's your cover screw in the bottom. This smart pack here, that would be for a fixed case. It's going to be a screw retained multi-unit abutment. You can get those straight, 15-degree angle, 30-degree angle, depending on what the treatment plan is. But everything comes packaged in here. You've got your analog, you've got your cylinder, you've got your abutment, your comfort cap, and your final fixation screw packaged in that smart pack. So when you start talking full arch treatment, you look at Nobel, it's about $2,000 an arch, more cost effective just in components. So it's about $4,000 a mouth. So here's a snapshot of all the smart packs that we've launched. Simply Digital, this really doesn't cater to you. This would be non-CEREC users. You've got your scan adapter, your analog, and your tie base. For Simply Fixed, you've got your screw retained abutment, your analog, your temp abutment, and your tie transfer, and your comfort cap packaged in that smart pack. Simply Removable, we used to manufacture our own Zest type abutments, Zest anchors. We called them GPS. We've gotten rid of the GPS line and we've partnered with Zest. So we're moving forward. Any type of removable, we're going to be using Zest components for those. So that's going to include your processing kit and your GPS abutment for $125.
Question about your second package, Simply Fixed.
Yep. And then of course you can buy that implant a la carte. You know, and that would be predominantly what CEREC users would do. They would buy that mountless implant. You would get your tie base from Sterling, from Sirona, your Ivoclar block, and you'd mill that hybrid abutment in-house. And then there's the packaging. So you do a full arch, You order the 4 implants, the 4 smart packs, screw receiving abutments, comes packaged in that simply integrated box. And this is brand new. I mean, we literally just launched this a couple of weeks ago.